how to use eBay motors for car parts. In order to use eBay motors for car parts, the most effective method is to utilize My Garage feature, which allows you to save your vehicle's specific details. Now, what you want to do is you have to find the right part. So open the homepage or the eBay app onto your device. You have to go to My Garage. This is a virtual parking spot where you can save up to 20 different vehicles. Once a vehicle is saved, eBay automatically applies these details as a filter for every part search you perform. Then you have to locate at the top of the eBay's motor homepage. This allows you to manually input the vehicle details, your make, model, trim, and engines as well. And for the highest accuracy, experts recommend searching for the manufacturer part, MPN, or OEM number directly from the old parts. And this biases potentially database error is a general compatible tool as well. You will also shop by specific systems such as engines and component, brakes, lighting, and wheels and tires as well, using the sidebar menu to refine the result as well. Next, you could verify the compatibility, and this way you're supposed to use eBay motors for car parts as well. So with that being said, we've completed our steps. Thank you for watching. See you in a next video.